I think now we understand the introduction. The first point about is R is a free open source. Mainly it is designed for, as for the caption R site, if you go and try to observe, this is the R site I have here. R is designed mainly for the graphics purpose and statistics purpose. R is a free software environment for the purpose of statistical computing as well as for the purpose of graphics. That is the second point we understand. Third point, we have nearly thousands of packages we have it. Because of the more number of packages, the R is famous in the market of data science. Data science. Now, we went for these all packages are available in one place. That place is known as CRAN. CRAN stands for Comprehensive or Archive Network. Tomorrow, anything you are downloading a package, we are going to download the package from the CRAN environment only. We'll see how to download it. And it is platform independent. We can use this one in Unix box or Windows box or Mac box. Okay, whatever CPU yours is or whatever laptop yours, doesn't matter, directly you can install it. Now let's go and try to do the installation part. R works on pretty much every platform and download the R software from this website. If you click on this one, then this is what it is opened. Here you can notice there is an option called as download R. Please follow this one, sir. Download R. It is opening CRAN. There is nothing but Comprehensive R Archive Network. Here the software is mirrors are available in different places. The software mirrors are available in different places. Like you can see different countries here, whatever we have. Even in our India, it is there. Even in our India also, it is maintaining by one of the IIT. You can see here Indian Institute of Technologies Madras is maintaining the software. So from whichever mirror, if you want to take it, you can take it. I can say simply these all are different data centers which are maintaining this software. From whichever data center you are taking, the same copy you are going to get it. All are synced, don't worry. If you don't know wherever you are sitting for that one, which country or which data center is near, you don't know. You are sitting in a country, but in that country there is no data center, but you don't know where it is near to me. You need not worry about it. Then you need to go for the cloud solution. If you click on the cloud solution, cloudrproject.org, then it is automatically redirecting to the where installation is available. The Comprehensive R Archive Network we are trying to download from the cloud. Then it's asking here download for Linux, Mac, Windows. Just go for your Windows. There it is saying as R for Windows. In the R for Windows, there is option is available install R for the first time. If you click on install R for the first time, it is going to ask you download the R 3.5.0 for Windows. It is very small software, 62 MB. It is a 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system, doesn't matter. For both the operating system, the same software will work. For both the operating systems, same software will work. Am I clear? Click on this one. The 62 MB will be downloaded to your machine. Anyone downloaded? Downloading is completed. I'll show you the installation part if it is completed.
Hey Ram, this is Hemant here. I do have a small question like which one is the fast? Is this a cloud one or standalone?
Take the cloud one.
Okay.
Yeah, click on this link and please tell me if you completed the downloading. Hemant, I am making you as a presenter as you completed the things. Let me make you as a presenter. I made you as a presenter. Now show me where is your software and click on the executable file. First show me your screen. I am not able to see your screen still.
Hello Ram.
Wait a moment. Let us complete the Windows, then I'll come back to the Mac. Now,
Okay.
This is the Windows. Now, where is your R software downloaded? Yeah, I'm able to see your screen. Now it is downloaded somewhere here. Yeah, click on that. It is very easy to install. It's not unlike other softwares. It will take less memory also. It is a 64 MB. Yeah, we selected the language called as English. Next. Here it's asking for the 32, 64 both, right? 32 we don't want it. So ignore that one and move on to the next. Next it is whatever recommended is available, default is available, keep that only. Okay, the one more showing as customized shadow something, right? That I don't want it. So default only I want to go. Click on the next. 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 That's it. You completed the R installation. That simple it is. That simple it is. It may take couple of minutes to complete it, but it will complete. It's completing. Yeah, click on the finish. That's it. You completed the installation of the R. Once you complete the installation of the R, is trying to open the R, which is available on the desktop. You open the R. Now, whatever window we are seeing, this window is known as, in the top you can read it, it's called as R console window. R console window. In this window, we are going to write whatever lines of code you want to write it, we can write and we can execute it. For example, simply we'll do it. 1 plus 2, just write it. 1 plus 2, enter. It is giving the output as 3. 10 into 20. 10 into 20. 20. Then enter. It's saying as 200. 10 cap 20. In this numeric 6 we have the cap symbol. In the numeric 6 we have the cap symbol. 10 cap 2, write it. 10 square I want to find out. 10 cap 2. 10 cap 2. Yeah, enter. 10 square is nothing but 100. Okay. Now we are writing, let us say sqrt, square root, that means sqrt of bracket open. Then you write here 4. 4. Square root of 4 is, we know what it is. Enter. It is 2. Okay. That's simple. We can go and we can do simple calculations or whatever it is. Now, suppose the lines of code, whatever you written now, like 1 plus 2, 10 into 20, 10 cap 2, square root of 4, these 4 things, at a time you want to execute it, not one by one. In a script mode, you want to execute it. First, you want to prepare these all things in one place. That place is known as some notepad or editor, right? The editor kind of thing you provide here, that is available. If you go to the file menu, there is an option called as new script. Second option, new script. We got now one window, you can read in the top, it's called as R editor. What is the window name? R editor. The top we can observe it is a R editor. So we have mainly two windows. One is known as R console, second is known as R editor. Given the maximized mode, that is the reason both occupied, one is overlapped with others. I want to see both side by side. For that, go to the Windows menu bar. There is an option, third option, vertically, yeah, tile vertically. Click on that. Now we are seeing R editor left side, R console right side. But I want generally R console left side, R editor right side, let us say. Make your R console is active. That means click on your cursor on the R console. Click your cursor on R console. Now go to the Windows menu. Again click on the vertical only. Now R console is came to the left side, R editor is came to the right side. In the editor, you type whatever mathematics you want it, like 1 plus 2 in the R editor, in the R editor, in R editor. No, already it is opened. Already it is opened. Right side we have right R editor. Two windows I am seeing now. Right side R editor 1 plus 2, just write it. 1 plus 2, then enter. Then let's say 10 into 2, 10 into 2, then enter. 10 cap 2, then enter. 10 cap 2, then enter. 10 minus 2, then square root of 4, sqrt of 4. These all 5 lines whatever you written, I want to execute at a time. So select all these 5 lines, select all these 5 lines. In the below menu bar, we have the toolbar. In that one, third button is available. What is the third button? Just keep your cursor. What is saying? Run lines, whatever you selected. Click on that one. Now all the things executed. You can click on that button or you can use Control plus Enter to execute whatever you selected. From the keyboard, shortcut is Control plus Enter. No, you not select it. I mean, sorry, I did mistake then. Keep your cursor, let's say in the first line. Keep your cursor in the first line. Now Control plus Enter. It's not working. Okay, that's fine. Use that button only. We can configure the shortcut. We can configure the shortcut, but it's not working plainly in R. Don't worry. This is called as R environment. But there is so many problems in this R environment. What is the problem is, just now I am trying to use some shortcut that is known as Control plus Enter, let us say. R is trying to write here, square root is trying to write it, but I am a new user to this one. The moment I written the SQ, I am expecting some help from the system. RT automatically it has to come, syntax also automatically it has to give. That kind of things are missing here. That kind of things are missing here. So really if I need to work with this window, I don't think so R will be comfortable to me. So once we install the R, just thought of showing this window, that's what I opened. Generally in the company we are going to use IDEs. R language has one IDE that is known as Rstudio. Let me make myself as presenter. Now I am as a presenter. Now we can see here, once you install this one, now I want to go for Rstudio installation. Where is the Rstudio is? Let us go and try to observe here. Download Rstudio from rstudio.com. If I click on this one, it is going to open one website. This is called as Rstudio website. And you can read headlines. Rstudio makes R easier to use. It includes a code editor, debugging, visualization tools. And click on this learn more. First you click on the download button first. You people try to click on the download button. Go to this website and click on the download button. Click on the download button. Now I am trying to click on here learn more. Now it's showing here take control of your R code. Rstudio is an integrated development environment IDE for R. It includes a console, whatever we studied over there console, same console available here, and syntax highlighting editor. In regular R, we have the editor, but however, there is no syntax highlighting is not available. SQRT is not coming in the blue color or black color, it is not coming. To understand, it is a predefined keyword, right? That is extra what they given. And direct code execution support, like Control plus Enter means directly it is executing. And as well as tools for graphs plotting. history maintaining, debugging, and workspace management. Like this, n number of features are available. In our company as well as in my training, both the places we are going to use only this IDE, we are going to use it. Like in Java people, they'll use always Eclipse only. Let us take Python people, they'll use PyCharm or Spider or Jupyter, they're going to use it. Similarly, R language people going to use RStudio. If anyone is came from the database backgrounds, Toad, T-O-A-D, Toad is the one famous one we are going to use it to write the SQL. SQL developer is the one we are going to use it to write the SQL. Similar to that line, RStudio is a IDE, integrate development environment, or you can call it as interactive development environment also. Interactive development environment to write our R code. To write our R code. Now, let us go and try to download it. Is it completed downloading? Hemant, is it completed downloading?
I didn't download it. You just diverted to that more. I didn't download. I will do that right away.
Yeah, please try to do it. Immediately it will download. Yeah, click on that download.
Hello Ram, meanwhile can I download that package R 3.5.0?
You see in the Mac and offline we'll try to see it because I too need to verify that things.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
And which one is this? It's a Windows 7 or Windows 10 is there. I think this will work.
Yeah.
Right?
Go ahead. Now it is downloading in the bottom. I think almost it is completed. The softwares are very small softwares, so just like that will complete downloading as well as installation process also. Now go to the software is already downloaded. Now show in the folder and double click on that. Right. Now it's going to start installing, but before installing the RStudio, the prerequisite is we need to go for R language. Once R language installation is completed, then only you have to go for RStudio. Click on the next. Click on the next. Click on the next. That's it. That will take care. Right. Click on the finish. Now open this RStudio. Go to the start menu. Go to the start menu. Then you'll see the RStudio folder. Yeah, RStudio it is there. There is the one. Click on that. What is that? It is a software file. Yeah, click on that. Now it is going to open. Is it office laptop or yours? Personal laptop.
It's my personal, my company.
Okay. Okay. Now maximize it. Now, okay, this is what the window. Now, whatever windows you saw previously in the plain R software, can you compare that with this? Do you have any way? Left side we are seeing what is the window. This is called as console window, right? Console window. Left side, first window, which is known as console window, right? For better explanation purpose, let me make myself as a presenter. Now we know how to install it. Let me make myself as a presenter. Right. This is what the RStudio which I opened. Now left side you can see this window. This window is called as console. This window is called as console window. Console window. This is the place where you written line by line codes we written and we executed. If I want to write n number of lines at a time, this is called as editor window. Observe here, I am writing here square root. Automatically we are getting some help or not? Automatically we are getting some help. Even I didn't fill the total. The moment I written the 3 letters, Next, it is going to give you some suggestions. Oh, you are about to write about the square root, then t is the next one you have to write it, and how many arguments it supports. Those all help we are getting it. This is what missing in the editor of the R, right? This is what missing in the editor of the R. If you go and try to say square root of 4, now you can press the control plus enter. That is going to work. And we are giving that is executed in the right side. You can observe it is executed, and we're able to see the square root of 4 is 2. Are you getting my point? What is the advantage? Suppose I am writing here now power or something like this. The moment I written the POW, it is saying as power. Or tomorrow you are trying to write here something else, you are trying to write it. So that corresponding things you are going to get it. See here, automatically it is giving some kind of helplines to you. Automatically it is giving some kind of helplines to you. If you have corresponding functions are available, it is going to give the helpline. This kind of thing is missing in regular R language. That's what we are looking for. Rstudio, we are looking for it. Now, in this one, total, how many windows we have it? We have 9 windows we have total. First window I would like to talk about, that is called as console window. And whatever window we have, this is called as console window. This is called as console window. And second is called as, this is called as editor window. And this is called as terminal window. And we have here files window, plots window, packages window, help window, viewer window, and the below we have here connections and history and environment. Okay, I think in this version some more windows also it is increased, it seems to be. Total 10 windows are there. Extra thing is I think connections is the extra one, we got it in this particular version. Recently I upgraded the Rstudio, I upgraded. So we got one more thing extra that is called as connections. Okay, anyhow, these are the different windows are available. Mainly we are going to use one window is known as console window, second window is known as editor window. Remaining windows I'll talk about when our situation is demands. When our situation is demands. Is it clear? Now today your job is go to the help here. Now in the help we have here about Rstudio, check for the updates, Rstudio support, cheat sheets, Rstudio IDE cheat sheet. Just go to this IDE cheat sheet, whatever we have it. Click on that and observe what is the cheat sheet. Any concept we are learning, it may be any software. Today it may be R language you are learning, or tomorrow you may be learning something else. There is a cheat sheet will be available that talks about the main chapters which are available in that particular software. In that particular software. Like we are going for one big seminar we are going for big seminar we are going, and the seminar surely you are going with the some kind of headlines you are going to write on piece of paper, so that you will not lose the track. First I need to speak this, second I need to speak this, third I need to speak this, like that we will write it, so that you will not lose the track. If you don't have any cheat sheet, you will be speaking something else, something else, something else. So that is what the cheat sheet. Please go and try to walk through what is this cheat sheet here. Okay, and also in the website, we have here one demo. Watch a video on what is inside the Rstudio IDE. It is very small one. Okay, 1 minute video. Please try to listen this 1 minute video so that we come to understand what is Rstudio. Okay. Right. Now let us go and try to see the next points. I want to speak about the working directories I have to speak about. Put your head on this one. Just try to walk through that 1 minute video. Then we'll go for the next things.